Golden Domes and Silver Lanterns, written by Henna Khan and illustrated by Mehrdolkat Amini. Red is the rug Dad kneels on to pray, facing towards Mecca 5 times a day. Blue is the hijab Mum likes to wear. It's a scarf she uses to cover her hair. Gold is the dome of the mosque, big and grand. Beside it 2 towering minarets stand. White is a kufi, round and flat. Grandpa wears his traditional hat. Black is the ink I use to draw the Arabic letters that spell Allah. Brown is a date, plump and sweet. During Ramadan, it's my favorite treat. Orange is the color of my henna designs. They cover my hands in leafy vines. Purple is an Eid gift just for me. I open it up and love what I see. Yellow is the box we fill on Eid with gifts of zakat for those in need. Green is the Quran I read with pride. Grandma explains the lessons inside. Silver is a fanoos, a twinkling light, a shining lantern that glows at night. All of the colourful things we've seen make up the world of my faith, my Deen.